RXA's data science team not only creates best-in-class backend transforms and analysis, they also build out actionable dashboards to bring data to life in front of the right users. Utilizing Domo's native features, such as ETL functionality, Jupyter notebooks, and data science tiles, the team is able to prepare and join data, as well as integrate machine learning estimation into the analysis. This example dashboard forecasts and visualizes TCOR, or total cost of repair, for an automotive service company. Utilizing internal and industry data around claims, the data scientists at RXA are able to accurately forecast the costs associated with claims in the upcoming months. This TCOR forecast is even broken out by type and location, and users can see the predicted target values for their company based on various customizable factors, such as the cost of parts, taxes, and labor rates. Dashboards like this that leverage forecasting models and visualizations enable companies to plan for the future intelligently by taking the guesswork out of the equation. Contact RXA today to see how our Domo Data Scientists can optimize your business.